In today's video, we're going to do a how-to guide on a common problem we encounter day to day, and that is how to send large files, videos, photos, or even multiple files, photos or videos on email to somebody you know personally, in a business environment, or just as a one-off occasion. Now, a small disclaimer: this is not to be used for illegal purposes. We're not promoting that. So if you're going to use that, that's, we can't take liability for that. This is for the rest of the world who want to use this legally. So now, you may have photos, whether it's family members, videos, even your wedding video, or a birthday party, as well as a large number of files, random files or photos of a particular occasion or day. So what we want to show you is, with a free solution, you can send large amounts of files on email without having the experience of email limits. So, for example, some email providers only allow you to send 1 megabyte worth of file attachments, even in 2022. Some 5, some 10, some 20. And if you end up going to business email solutions, you can get 50, 100, maybe 150 megabyte files if you're lucky. Now, that's great if you can send large files, but there could be a situation where you need to send extremely large files, the equivalent of a DVD type. For example, say you want to send a copy of a DVD of your wedding or a birthday party, and so on. So like I said, not to be used for illegal purposes. Before we continue, so please use this ethically, legally, in the country you're in. So here we have got a video recording of a game, and it's 146 megabytes, as we will show you in a screenshot shortly. And on email, we might be able to send that, but the recipient might not be able to receive it. So we need to come up with a simple solution that allows you to send the file to one or more people of this particular file or folder. So we can right click on it and utilize a system called Onedrive, and we're going to use the free version, so no paid extras. And what we can do here is we can click share. Likewise, we can share the entire folder if there's lots of files here. So we can do this and then go share. And as you can see, the folder is called Xbox Game DVR. So we can give people the ability to edit the folder. If we've got paid extras, so as you can see here, we haven't. This is a free account. We can't set an expiry date or a password. If it was a premium account, then we could allow those extra things to be set. And then we can click apply, and from here you can see we can type in somebody's email address and a message. However, if you don't want to generate the email by just filling this in and clicking send, you can copy a link to the file. So we'll do that and in a moment show you an email with a screenshot of this link as well as the web page for this file. But this way is perfectly fine as well. If you do it this way, all that happens is somebody will receive an email saying that a file's been shared with you. There'll be a blue button to open the file. You know, if somebody's used to them receiving those kind of emails, great, do it that way, quick and easy. But if this is somebody who may not be familiar, you may want to go with the copy link scenario. So by doing it this way, you can bypass the limits of small attachment sizes, and you can essentially send large file attachments. So I will click copy link now. You can't see all of this, but I'll just click copy and then click X, and in a minute I will show you what it looks like when the recipient has received the email. Now you can see we've drafted an email here, and here we've got the link to the same video. So in a minute we're going to just quickly send that email, and it could be to one person, it could be to 100 people, but we just want to show this proof of concept to you. So you can see now this test email that we sent with a link to the video. So when we click on that video, it will open up in a new tab. And here is this video that we had sent via a link. So we can open it online, or we can download it with options at the very top. So here are the extra options that you see, and from there we can download that. I've given edit ability, so we could also delete it, and you've got access to version history and so on. For copyright reasons, I'm not going to play this video, just in case somebody comes back to us saying that we've breached copyright due to this being a video game. But this is just for your information, that if we were to click this, we could open the file, download it, etc., and so on. Here we go. Version history shows the file is 146 megabytes, which for an email that would not be normally possible to send to most people on email systems unless you've got a premium service. But with the use of cloud storage like OneDrive, there are others. You could use Dropbox, you could use Google Drive. They all have different limits, but this is straightforward. Whether you're Mac, Windows, Android or iPhone, you can just right click on a file or a folder, share it, and you can very quickly send that over to somebody. And the other benefit is that if you add more files to the folder, they will get access to that information without having to send another email and another email and another email. So very useful, and you don't have to have the pain of one person can't receive it because it's too big, or their email accounts run out of space, and so on. Likewise, if your emails run out of space, you have to frantically save space just to send it. So very useful to be able to just send it as a link, because the email is tiny in comparison. Now, if you're looking to utilize the same function on your mobile, then for this, what we would recommend is you download the OneDrive app. And using the OneDrive app, you can then find the same file or folder, and you can run the share ability from there, and you can basically run through the same steps we've done, where you can generate a link, or you can start sharing and sending the link away to somebody. It takes minutes to do. It's a very similar process, but if you want a step-by-step guide with screenshots, please let us know in the comments below, and we'll make a follow-up video to this one showing you how to do it using the OneDrive app. If you have any questions, please drop us a message below. Thanks for watching this video. If you found that useful, please click the like button below. If you found it unhelpful, click the dislike button below so we can get some feedback. And if you've got any future videos that you would like creating, please drop us a comment below. Thanks for watching and have a great day.